Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Extra credit in Excel chapter 2 graded cumulative variation inlet jewelers. So open the Excel chapter 2. In Excel chapter 2 graded cumulative variation inlet jewelers and click the continue. So open the Excel chapter 2. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So Excel chapter 2 graded cumulative variation inlet jewelers and Exp25. Excel chapter 2 cumulative assessment variation inlet jewelers. Click the download the materials and next is download the materials. So download the all files. So next go to the downloads and open the Word file and open the Excel file. Next open the Excel file. So assignment title is Exp25 Excel chapter 2 cumulative assessment variation inlet jewelers, and we move to the main project steps. So total step is 15. We move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is install the Excel, download and open the file name exp25 Excel chapter 2 cumulative variation inlet jewelers. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the exp25 Excel chapter 2 cumulative variation inlet jewelers, and so question number 1 is complete. So next is we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is we move to the question number 2. Insert a function in cell B2 to display the current date from your system. So insert the next is insert a function in cell B2 to display the current date from your system. So go to the Excel worksheet and select the B2 to display the current date from your system. So type is equal to, type the today function and press enter. Insert the today function in cell B2. So current date from your system. So question number 2 is complete, and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is with the cell B2 selected and set the width of column B to auto-fit column. So select the column B2 and apply the auto-fit column in column B. So question number 3 is complete, and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is insert a VLOOKUP function in cell C5 to display the ring cost for the first, the cost of the ring type should be an exact match and use the appreciate relative and absolute cell reference. So insert the VLOOKUP function in cell C5. So next is insert the VLOOKUP function in cell C5. So select the C5 is cost column, and next is VLOOKUP function in C5 display the ring cost for the first students. The cost of the ring type should be an exact match and use the appreciate relative and absolute cell reference. Select the C5 and type is equal to type the VLOOKUP function. So insert the VLOOKUP function. Next is the cost of the ring and type should be an exact match. Use the appreciate relative and absolute cell reference. So insert the VLOOKUP function. So select the B5 is ring type, and next is A62 B19 A62 B19 and apply the absolute cell reference. And next is so the cost of the ring type should be an exact match and relative absolute cell reference. Apply the absolute cell reference and press F4. And next is type 2 and display the ring cost for the first payment in the first payment of the students. So next is type 2 and type false. And close bracket and press enter. So result is 418. So question number 4 is complete. And we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is fill the function from the cell C5 to the range C6 to C11. So C5 to C6 to C11, copy the formula, and C6 to C11. So question number 5 is complete. And we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is apply the accounting number format to the range C5 to C11. So copy the range and next go to the Excel worksheet and paste the range, press enter. So select the range and next is apply the accounting number format. So go to the home tabs, go to the number groups and apply the accounting number format in cell C5 to C11. So C5 to C11, apply the accounting number format. So question number 6 is complete. And we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is, insert a if function in cell E5 to calculate the total due if the student has chosen to personalize the ring. There is an additional charge of 5% located in cell B21 that must be added to the cost of the ring. If not, the student only pay the base price and use the shared relative and absolute cell reference. So next is in cell E5. So select the E5 and type is equal to and type the if function. So type is equal to and type the if function. So insert the if function inside A5 and select the D5 is the personalized column and type is equal to type inverted commas and type yes. So yes, D5 and next is select the C5 is cost plus C5 and C5 multiply by B21 and apply the absolute cell reference. Cell B21 and close bracket. So next is select the C5 and next is C5 close bracket and press enter. So result is 504. So question number 7 is complete and we move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is, Fill the function to cell E5 to the range E6 to E11. So copy the function E6 to E11, E6 to E11. So question number 8 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.